Alright, our fourth and final card from the Batter Up kit will be this one. I thought that I kind of wanted to make it a little shabby chic looking with this stripy paper down here, and so it did what I had in my head. So you're going to get this piece of paper, the Bumblebee, and it is a 4 1/4 by 11 piece of paper. Fold it down in half. Then if you are getting this kit in the mail, I've already done this piece for you. This is real red, and I used the basic borders dies and cut the, like I'll call it a V, the notch out in the bottom. And then I ran it through an embossing folder to give it kind of that flowery look that I had in my head. So put your stripy piece under and then adhere this over the top. I probably have already stamped this for you, and you will just need to cut it out at this point. I used To a Wild Rose stamp set and stamped the flowers and the leaves on that. Actually, I won't make you watch me do all that. Then you'll get some ribbon, just tie a bow, and then I looped the twine, and then I just bunched it up and attached it to the back of the ribbon and stuck that on the front with a dimensional, and then I will give you some pearls and stick on the front. And that will complete our Batter Up paper pumpkin cards.